Oh yeah, got everything mocked up just to get the idea. I think you're seeing where I'm going with this. Alright guys, decals are in, drying up. We're gonna lay some paint on this tomorrow.
Tomorrow for sure.
Laid down the scheme, get mask off, all this. Then we're gonna throw the red on there. Should look pretty snazzy.
Paranoia-filled days later.
Alright. So I got it pretty much together. I'm waiting on a few parts, but I don't think there's anything preventing this from running right now. Let's just throw a battery in it and see if she cranks off. Alright. I think we're pretty good. One. You might need a little help. Sure.
minutes later.
Okay.
One pair of pants later.
All right, that's gonna be pretty much it on the Harley restoration there. Still got a few more things to do, but for the most part, she's pretty much done. Went ahead and chopped that seat. Thought a single seat would look pretty sick on this, and it do be looking pretty cool. Threw some grips on there. New headlight mount. This thing starts like right up. She's rowdy. Whew. Yeah, it was a fun little side project. Wish I could keep it, but mommy won't let me. So, yeah. Now we're gonna be doing some maintenance on the Cobra. A trip to Ohio. It's gonna be 1,200 miles round trip. So 600 miles there, 600 miles back. So yeah, gotta do a few things to that. Get it ready for that little road trip there. So, all right, guys. So today we're gonna be doing some maintenance on the Cobra. We're prepping it for a road trip to Ohio. There's gonna be a big Cobra show there. So let's get to it. All right, let's first get this guy out of the way. Door handle. Yep. All right. Forgot to put the negative on. All right, so this is probably going to be one of the longest trips that my dad has taken this car on in a really long time. This car has about 30,000 miles on it. Most of those miles were put on the first 10 years of ownership. This car is about 20 years old. Was built in 2006. So this engine has about 30,000 miles on it, and it's been phenomenal. It's like awesome. There's been almost zero issues. The only issues right now that we are going to fix are just a little bit of weeping. We got some coolant weeping from the timing cover. This tie rod end boot over here, or the rack boot, or whatever you want to call it. It is split, so we'll be putting a new one of those on as well. We're just going to start by popping this valve cover off. Start with that. Valve covers probably haven't been off in the better part of 15 years, so we'll get to take a peek under here after 30,000 miles of hard driving. Oh, that came off easy. Wow. Very clean. Look at that. It's like it was put on yesterday. I mean, 30,000 miles. That's pretty clean. Not gonna lie. Looking at these are pedestal mounted roller rockers, so no really adjusting lash on these except for with shims. So take a look at them as far as how much preload they have. Other than that, she's running pretty good, so we'll probably leave her alone.
2 very boring minutes later.
They're all pretty good. Might as well, since you're in here. I usually like to make sure things don't explode. Take a look at it before I throw the valve cover on. Squeaky clean. Nice things about these Velcros, if you put the bolts in there, it kind of holds them holds them in place, holds the gasket too. Personally, I like to have studs in the head so you could just lay the gasket and slap the cover on, but this is all right. All right. Start by getting this belt off. Ow! Water pump pulley. Oh, all right. Relax. I should have broke those loose with the belt on. We like to solve problems here with. Yep. Phew. That's a long old bolt. Let go. One more. The blood is rushing to my head, and I don't know what's going on. How about that? Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, we got a dacridge. Should probably drain the coolant soon. We're gonna keep ignoring the things that we need to do because that is something I don't feel like doing. Oh yeah. Balancer puller. Puller. Oh, the back. I know I'm only 21, but the back just hurt like I was 41. You the right thread? Yes, you are. Who's a good one? 9/16. 9/16. It's probably 5/8. Oh, it's 9/16. I knew it. I'm that guy. Come on, balancer. Triceps burning. Come on, little balancer. Yeah, my tricep is going to be so jacked. On only one side. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. See that? Oh yeah. Release. Okay. Oh. Wow, this is fancy. What brand is this? We got mad silicone up in this bit. Guess I gotta drain the coolant. Ow. Alright, finished draining the coolant. I didn't spill anything. Nothing. Water pump time. Oh yeah. That is way more than I thought was in there. Hooray! Oh yeah. And we say bye-bye. Water pump. Yeah, nice. Come to papi. Papi. Hooray! Oh. Alright. Phew. How's the timing chain? Oh my god, this thing's mint. All cleaned up. Better slap her back together. Bam! Had a little bit of a snag. I couldn't find a water pump plate gasket anywhere. So I ended up ordering a sheet of Felpro gasket material and just making one, but she's all together. Yippee! Knocked her down. All right. First things first. Safety wire. Safety wire off. And a mallet. Nice old boot. And we're just gonna put this one back on, brand new. It's good we're doing this because it's a long a trip we're doing, 1,200 miles. There's gonna be a lot of dust and dirt, and we don't want that getting in our steering rack. I'll put her back together and do the other side. If you didn't know, these backdraft cars are mostly BMW suspension and brakes, which is pretty cool. So whenever stuff wears out, you could just, go to an FCP Euro or, I don't know, just online and grab some parts for it. Pretty cool. Can't just do one. You gotta do both sides.